When we think of winter workplace hazards, most of us picture icy walkways, cold stress, or space heater accidents. But there's another hazard that often flies under the radar: combustible dust. Believe it or not, winter is the perfect storm for a combustible dust incident to happen. In this video, we're going to talk about why winter increases the risk, what signs to look for, and how your workplace can stay safe during the cold season. So, what is combustible dust? It's fine particles that can ignite or explode when exposed to heat or sparks. It can come from common materials like wood, metal, sugar, flour, or even plastic, making it a serious hazard for industries like manufacturing, food processing, or woodworking. To understand just how serious this can be, let's go back to February 7th, 2008, when a massive explosion and fire occurred at the Imperial Sugar Refinery near Savannah, Georgia. 14 people lost their lives, and 38 others were injured. The cause? Massive accumulations of combustible sugar dust throughout the packaging building. That's how devastating this hazard can be when it's ignored. So why is winter especially risky? When we seal up our buildings to keep the heat in, it reduces the ventilation and allows dust to settle and accumulate without fresh airflow. The cold, dry indoor air increases static buildup, and a single spark is all it takes to ignite it. Space heaters and boilers are common in winter, and they could become ignition for nearby dust. Here's what you can do to minimize the risk. Conduct regular dust inspections and avoid dust accumulation. Maintain ventilation. Industrial ventilation systems help reduce dust buildup even in the cold. Control static electricity. Use anti-static mats, grounding wires, and even humidifiers to reduce static risk. Monitor heating equipment by keeping heaters clean, inspected, and away from dusty areas. Train your team. Make sure your staff understands how dust behaves and how to clean it properly, especially in winter. Winter brings unique challenges to workplace safety, and combustible dust is a big one. But with the right awareness and preventive steps, you can protect your people and your facility. If your workplace needs help assessing combustible dust hazards, we're here to help. Reach out to schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more real-world workplace safety tips.